about this juice because what's special about this juice is the pineapple, because it has a special enzyme called bromelain. It's a digestive superstar which helps to break down proteins in the body, and that means less bloating and less indigestion. It took me no time to chop this stuff up, so you guys have no excuse. Then you have the beets, which are packed with antioxidants, of course, and it helps to support the liver, which is the body's master filter, we all know. And we know that a happy liver is crucial for a happy gut. And by the way, my juicer is very inexpensive, so don't laugh at my juicer, okay? It came from Walmart. It's a Black & Decker brand. I got it for $40. It gets the job done. And just to let you know, the pulp is where the fiber is, and that's what we're getting rid of when we're juice. So keep that in mind. Some people like to reuse or repurpose theirs. The result from the juice was a sweet and earthy taste. It has a really nice, vibrant red color. And I will be trying it again throughout the summer. Just look at the color of this juice. That red color is so beautiful. I love it. Next, I tried the green juice. I like to call this the green hydrator. I made this juice in one of my earlier videos. You can go check that out if you like. It is the ultimate refresher because it gives deep hydration and a gentle cleanse to the body. All you need is cucumber, celery, green apple, and some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Then you have the green apple, which adds a nice sweetness to the drink, a nice crisp taste to it. And then you have the lemon, which gives it a nice kick. And the secret here to this juice is pure hydration. I like to talk about hydration a lot, and I'm gonna reinforce it again in this video. So both the cucumber and the celery make up over 95% of the water content, which is going to be perfect for helping to replenish the body and helping your digestion to move smoothly. Plus, you have the celery, which contains compounds that can help to calm the gut and inflammation. And it also helps to provide vitamin C. That's going to help you with digestion as well and to get the juices flowing. Like I said, it's a nice crisp taste, nice refreshing. Last but not least, I like to call the papaya soother, which is great for the digestive system as well, and especially if you have a sensitive stomach. All you need for this drink is a nice ripe papaya and a nice splash of water for that perfect creamy texture. Some people like to eat the seeds of the papaya, which are good for releasing and killing off parasites, but that's a whole nother video. Also, papaya is really a true superfruit for the gut because it also contains a very powerful enzyme known as papain, and that enzyme helps to digest proteins as well, also while soothing the entire digestive tract. Let me know in the comments which juice will you be trying first. And if you found this video to be helpful, please give it a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe for more tips. So I'll see you in the next video.